got is one of these stubborn Delta Series 600 that went through the metal bonnets. Once they sit on there, they get stuck on there hard as shit. And they're just hard to get off. So I did try and torch it. I do always try and do that. I torched it around and stuff, and it didn't do it. And then, so second thing I do, you can see I've cut a line. Here's my Dremel drill with a cutting bit. And you cut the actual bonnet. When you get to right here, be real delicate that you don't go into threads. Okay. Then you want to take a screwdriver, get it in there, and then, yep, there you go. See how it's turning now? It'll turn off now. Okay, so that's the kick. And then I'll be able to get my big pair of pliers in there. Okay, and you can see now I got the big pliers. And it was turning. There it goes. Yeah, there she goes. Even boys and girls. Hard to do this while filming. So you only want to grip the bonnet too. That's another ticket. Okay, hopefully it's not hot still. No, it's not. So there you go. I got it off. And you can see I really didn't do any damage. Hold on, let's see if I can get a good close up. You can see all the corrosion on there. But I didn't mess the threads up or anything for this outside part here. So we're still good to go. And there you see it. I split it. And that truly is the best way, in my own opinion. I mean, I always try and torch it, and granted, once in a great while it comes off with a torch. Gotta be careful. And you really don't want to crank on it too hard. If you get it turning at all, there's pipes back in here. They're little soft pipes. You'll bend them and sure shit, it'll start to leak on you. So, my opinion, best thing to do, Dremel drill with the cutting, easy cut. I use this easy cut system right there, or easy lock system on my Dremel drill. And you just basically go on it real lightly and keep at it, cut it, till you get that thing completely cut. And then there's the inside of it. And you can see it's finally off. Now, before I attempt any of this, here's the two kits I have. One, I got a new bonnet, of course. Before I even start, I get a new bonnet. And then I get this one too, with the stainless steel ball, even though this one had a plastic ball in it. It's a stainless steel ball. This is the one, Series 600.